Thank you so much, Perry. But can I just correct one thing? It's not that it just wasn't me, and it wasn't even a team. It was Sesame Street. It was because people wanted to help Sesame Street. So, oh, are we supposed to do this first? Oh, sorry.
I'm back.
Well, you left.
I
Okay.
know. Sherrie.
All right, thank
Here's
you.
your
Thank you
award.
so much. Now, will you take it for me?
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
great. All right, sorry about that. But anyway, I just want to say that this means so very much to me, and especially because Perry's presenting it, because I have so much, I am such a Perry fan, and, you know, as a journalist, as a documentary filmmaker, she has shined a light on so many important issues and always with such a sense of purpose. So I'm so grateful she's doing what she's doing today with Sesame and Afghanistan as well. But I also want to congratulate Courtney, Leslie, and Asaf on tonight's incredible evening. And a special congratulations to my fellow honorees, to Patricia, Barbara, and Sebastian. It is a tremendous honor for me to accept this award alongside each of you. So Literacy Partners is an organization I have long admired, going back to the days of Liz Smith, when she was such a champion and so dear to all of us. And as many of you may know, Liz Smith was also very close to Joan Ganz Cooney, who is the creator of Sesame Street. And she remains a huge supporter and fan of Literacy Partners to this day. So Joan is someone who knows well the tremendous transformative power of literacy. Because when Joan created Sesame Street, now this was the late 1960s, and research showed that children in poverty were showing up without the skills they needed to learn at school. So Joan set out to see if the new medium of the day, television, could be used to teach. And she thought if children could learn advertising jingles from watching television, couldn't they learn letters as well? I know I would not be receiving this wonderful award tonight were it not for Joan, because it's Joan that brought me to Sesame Street. And today I have the privilege of leading Sesame Workshop and doing all I can to carry on Joan's legacy. But Joan not only understood the importance of literacy, but she also understood the power of adult-child engagement. And I think this is another great example of her prescience, because when she was creating Sesame Street, she often said she had a hunch that the learning would be deeper if an adult were watching with a child. And the learning would carry on off screen. And that's why she enlisted Jim Henson and the Muppets and included musicians and celebrities and humor and parodies, all in a very deliberate attempt to make sure that it appealed to adults as well as children. And I just love how this is so much in line with Literacy Partners' two-generation approach, helping parents build literacy skills while boosting children's school readiness. And that is something that has proven outcomes for children, for adults, for entire families, and for society as a whole. So I want to thank you all again for all you do to change so many lives and for this incredible honor. I am deeply grateful.